All right, good evening, everybody. Welcome to the daily recap video. Just gonna go over kind of how we did today. It was a pretty rough day. Overall, I mean, I'd say it was okay. We ended up here on the PA account here on Apex. We had a $35 winner yesterday. I didn't go and do a daily recap yesterday, but we'll cover yesterday's action today, so you guys can see. So we were up $35 yesterday. Today we were down 653. Now I am using this account. I originally was going to use a challenge account, and then after doing some back testing and stuff, I decided to use this account. So it's a little more aggressive, but that's what I wanted to do. This is the account I'm using for the mechanical trading strategy that I'm back testing. My back testing so far has it coming in at about a 55% win rate. We've lost 2 days in a row. I didn't use this account on it yesterday, but it lost yesterday and it lost today also. Yesterday it lost, well, technically it made money yesterday, but one of the winning trades was on a practice account, so I don't count that. But going forward, that's what I'm using this account for, the mechanical strategy only. So it's not really me when it comes to these results. It's just going to be me following the rules there. And some of you may say, well, like, why are you using a funded account for that? Because to me, I've back tested it over the last 5 months so far, and the results are promising. I think that ultimately it will work out. And if I'm wrong, I'm just wrong. So that's kind of what we're doing there. And on the Topstep account, today we pretty much ended the day even. We had a bad day yesterday on that account. That really didn't have anything to do with why I didn't do a recap. I just wasn't feeling up to it yesterday. But, complete transparency for you guys. Here's the Topstep Express Funded account. Current balance is $484. So as you know, we had this account up to $1,500 last Thursday. And we've lost basically $1,000 in it since then. So you can see the weekly net P&L down 648. That's mostly due to yesterday. We were down 646 yesterday, and today pretty much even, down $2. I feel okay about today. Yesterday and Friday, I was very passive on this account, and I'll move it over here because it's got me looking funky. I was very passive on this account, and then when I did take trades, I took trades very late in the day, like 3:15, 3:30. And those are not the times that I really need to be trading, right? So I decided today, I was like, if I'm going to blow this account, I'm going to blow it trading the way that I trade. So today, we took the trades on it that we normally would take. So we didn't make money, negative $2, but we had 13 total trades, which that number skewed. We didn't take 13 trades. We probably took 6, 7 trades, I guess. Average winner, $95. Average loser, $152. 4 winners, 2 losers was kind of the consistency there. So I was down 350, I think, on it when I ended the stream. And then I actually took the exact same long. If you're watching the stream, I was trying to take a long and got stopped out for $225, $245, I think. I took the exact same long again when price went back up, and this time it was a winner for $350. So got the account back to break even. I feel okay about that. Just kind of starting from scratch on this account. Tomorrow I'm going to do my best to have some sort of profit. The reason I was kind of taking it super easy on this account and not really having days that I should be having on it. I mean, the winners matter too, right? And so even a $368 day, that was probably the best day I've had. And it's just not going to cover these losers. So I need to trade this account because a couple of days last week I was up, $1,200, $1,500 on other accounts, and then I'm down $400 on this account. Just doesn't make any sense. I may as well take those same trades on this funded account. So I did get the email today from Bulenox, but they only sent me the invoice for one of my accounts that are funded, and I have 3 with them. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that, but I'm going to go ahead and set that account up. It probably won't be ready until Thursday or Friday. But that's going to be the recap for today. So, down $2 on this account today, basically break even. And then doing the mechanical strategy on this account, we're down $600. Let me just kind of explain to you guys what the mechanical strategy is, just in case you're wondering. So all we're doing is we're taking the 5-minute chart and we're waiting until 10 a.m. What is going on there? Let's refresh this chart here. It's still missing. I do not know what's going on there. Okay. Well, I guess this chart's not going to let me show it. So anyways, we're taking the 5-minute chart and we're looking for the first gap on the 5-minute chart, the first fair value gap. Once we get that fair value gap, we're just taking the entry with a fixed 2-to-1 risk to reward. So we're not using any other, there's no other confluence to go along with it. It's just simply if there's a fair value gap on the 5-minute chart that forms between 10 and 11 a.m., we're taking it. I don't know. I'm trying to pull up another chart so I can kind of give you guys an example, but the time frame is all skewed. It's missing some on the chart there. Let's see if it's doing it on this one. All right, this one's good. All right, so just kind of give you guys an example so what I'm talking about if you're new, if you've not been following along with it or whatever. And we're just testing this mechanical strategy. And like I said, in my back test, this thing has worked pretty nicely. So we're taking the 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock time frame, and we're just looking for the first fair value gap created. So the fair value gap is here. So here's the first one created, and obviously this one was a loser today, but that's okay. This strategy is 50 to 55% winner, closer to 50% based on my back testing. So all I did was I took a short once we reached 98, 75, stop went up here at 30.50, and I target a 2-to-1 risk to reward. So obviously we got stopped out because our stop was here. Now you can look at this and say, well, if your stop would have been here, it would have been a winner. You'd be right, but that's not how the strategy works. You got to put it at the top of the first candle that makes the fair value gap, so the stop has to go there. So just a simple mechanical strategy that we're testing out, and I am testing it on a funded account, and we're just going to see how it goes. If it goes as good as I think it will, we'll make money. If it doesn't, we'll blow the account. We'll start over. So if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe for me, and we will be live at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.